All right.
Let's just try the spoon a little. No, you can't hold the spoon. You gotta just. Oh, sorry, I should do it one time. Is that good? Is that good?
Yeah, you're recording.
Oh, we should put a bib on.
Those small things you learn afterwards.
I think he likes it.
It's going in the pie hole pretty well.
Really liquidy.
Good job, buddy.
Really good job. What? He really likes it.
You're gonna hold the spoon yourself, aren't you?
This is a big mess.
Good job, buddy.
Yeah, he is not going to be letting me feed him for very long. Whoa. Okay. Can you keep your hands
strap
down?
his hands down.
There you go. There you go.
He's like, faster, Mom. Just shovel.
Getting some good shots.
Uh-huh.
Oh boy. I think we can make it thicker next time.
Uh-oh. He's like chasing the spoon.
Let's get some of this stuff that's on your cheeks. Okay, now chew it. Chew it up. Oh my gosh. Oh, he just attacks it. He sees it coming toward him and he's like, I want that. This is such a mess.
You need 2 spoons, one for the food and one for the food as it falls out the mouth.
We gotta eat what's in your mouth, buddy, before you can get excited about the next spoonful. You got it? Swallow. Oh my god, he loves it. Well, that must taste so much better than the stuff you've been eating your whole life.
Oh.
He wants more. More. I think we're gonna have to get bigger spoons. I know. It's all gone.
Good job, buddy. Highly successful first feeding.
Yes. I think we're gonna have to go to the store and get some vegetables.
Uh-oh. Hurry up!
It's gone. I'm just like pretending there's still some in there. Oh my gosh. Oh God! Say oh God!
I don't think he likes the fact that... Oh no!
Oh God! Can I?